Welcome to this quick guide, where I'll walk you through how to mark a group as read on the WhatsApp app for PC with the latest update. This is a simple feature, but it can save you time and help keep your chats tidy, especially if you're part of multiple groups that quickly fill up with new messages. Let's get started step by step. First, open the WhatsApp app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account and that your chats have loaded properly. Once the app is open, you'll see your list of conversations on the left-hand side of the screen. Next, scroll through your chat list to find the group you want to mark as read. If you're part of many active groups, this might take a second, but once you spot the one you want, hover over it with your mouse. Now, here is where the new update makes things easier. Simply right-click on that group chat. When you do this, a small menu will appear with different options for managing the chat. From the menu, click on the option that says Mark as Read. The moment you select it, all the unread messages in that group will be marked as seen. The notification badge next to the group will also disappear, giving you a cleaner, more organized chat list. This update is especially useful because you no longer need to open the group conversation to clear all the unread messages. With just a quick right-click, you can free your chat list of clutter and focus on the conversations that matter most to you. And that's all it takes. Open WhatsApp on your PC, find the group, right-click the chat, and choose Mark as Read. In just a few seconds, you'll have a more organized inbox without having to scroll through long conversations. If you've been trying to manage a busy chat list, this feature is a small but powerful improvement that can make your experience much smoother.